my friends? I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. At home we eat a lot of chicken. I find it so versatile. This protein can be baked, grilled, pan-fried or deep-fried, roasted, broiled, sautéed, braised, poached, and smoked. I've been sharing many great Asian-inspired recipes with you using chicken, like General Tso, Mandarin, Pad Thai noodles, and others. Now, let's add another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Asian peanut chicken curry. This is an amazingly flavorful dish. The combination of ingredients marries so well together. It's an easy recipe and such a delicious change. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start by making our curry spice mix. In a small bowl, we'll add coconut sugar, some curry powder, then ground cumin, ground coriander, hot paprika, but you can use smoke if you prefer, and ground sea salt. We'll give a good whisk and set aside. Here are our chicken breasts that we've cut into 1-inch pieces. And what we'll do is to sprinkle half of the spice mix on the meat, toss the pieces, and then sprinkle on the rest of the curry spice mix. We'll toss it again until nicely coated. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for a few hours, but if time permits, overnight is even better. Alright, the next day we'll continue making the recipe. So here is how we'll cut the zucchini. Half, then half again lengthwise, and simply slice it. Easy peasy, right? Now let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add canola oil as well as sesame oil. When it gets hot, we'll brown the chicken pieces. If your pan is big enough, you should be able to add them all. Otherwise, cook them in batches. We'll saute the pieces until there's a nice color on them. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes at the most. When they're done, we'll scoop them into a bowl using a slaughter spoon. We want to leave the yumminess behind, and we'll set them aside for now. Next, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add the onions. I normally use white, but I had to switch before my red onion went bad. And frankly, it was absolutely fine for this recipe. So we'll quickly saute it for 1 minute before adding red peppers and green peppers. In my case, poblano. I prefer it over the regular green bell. It's a matter of taste, but either one is good. Like with the onions, we'll saute them for only 1 minute. Now, this little guy is optional and it's a bird's eye pepper. If you can handle the heat, don't add it. This time, we'll cook the vegetables a little longer, about 2.5 to 3 minutes. To this, we'll add the sliced zucchini and saute for 3 minutes as well. Next, we'll add pressed garlic and minced ginger and quickly stir them into the mixture for 1 minute before pouring in chicken broth and some coconut milk. Now we'll add peanut butter. On our website, I mentioned how to get it into a liquid state, so check it out. We'll also add half a cup of roasted peanuts, some chili sauce, and of course, I use my homemade recipe, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. Then ketchup. Come on now, don't make a face. It's actually the perfect ingredient for this recipe as it gives more sweetness to it without any extra heat. And finally, lime zest. We'll stir the ingredients until very well blended and return the chicken to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. We'll stir once again to incorporate the meat into the mixture, Increase the heat to high and bring it to a boil. We'll then reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, and also making sure the zucchini slices are submerged so they're fully cooked after half an hour. When it's time to serve, we'll spoon the mixture over a bed of rice, sprinkle on some roasted peanuts, then chop cilantro, and if you can handle the heat, some sliced hot peppers. For the final touch, we'll garnish with a lime wedge. And my friends, this is our Asian peanut chicken curry. With a beautiful mix of ingredients, this delicious recipe is full of flavor. The combination of sweet, sour, and a touch of heat gives a nice balance to the dish. I'm sure this tasty recipe will please you and your taste buds. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!